Now let us switch over to Hema Koppalle. How was your journey in the year 2022, and how has been your 2000 new year, that is January 1st, and what is your new year resolution?
Actually, we didn't celebrate, sir. As the Geeta ma'am said that Ugadi is our festival.
Yeah.
So we are not much surprised.
What are your new year resolutions?
Resolutions, we talked about that schools are already, I said, no, sir, we are planning to have school. For that all legal, we completed legally, sir. There is no any issue in that. And in CBSE also, they gave, there is no any legal issues for that. And you have to proceed. And we are going to plan, sir, in this Sankranti holidays, we are going to plan how we have to keep either it is a co-education or we have to separate either boys and girls like that. We are.
Very good, very good. Where are you starting it? Don't worry, you can carry on. You can
It is in Bangalore, sir. It is in Bangalore.
Wow, very good, very good. So it is
already it is there, sir, but we are taking that. Why? Because they are the old people and they are selling that, sir. They have no kids, sir.
Good, good.
It's
name of the school?
Sir, we are changing, but they didn't said any names, sir. It's my relatives they are undertaking, sir.
Okay. The present name?
Present name they didn't reveal, sir.
Okay, no issue. But when you take it up and kindly inform us, it will be our pleasure. I will promote it.
And a happy thing to say, we are planning to come to Hyderabad, sir.
Wow,
if you come means,
yeah, you are most welcome. Sure, it will be our pleasure.
We are planning. And in the month of December, sir, 26th, we have inter-school competitions. Inter-school English spell bee quiz competitions. In that, our school won 200 out of 200 points. There also we got chance to say our opinions. In that, whatever we are learning here, it is useful and not useful. Sir, there we used all these.
Wow, very good.
These things in front of that students and all teachers also liked. Remaining post schools, they liked, sir.
Means you meant to say that announcements and all you made.
Yes, sir, yes. They asked our opinion, sir. Why? Because it is in Tirupati, Karkambadi, one branch. We have 3 branches, sir. One is in Petamita, it is in Chittur, and one is in Digavamagam, and one is in Karkambadi.
Okay.
They held quiz competition in Karkambadi, sir.
Very good.
So they asked the opinion, how they did and all.
Feedback, you meant to say.
Yes, sir. They asked a feedback and opinion about the program, sir.
Very good, very good.
And even our school kids also participated very well. There's a tough competition, sir. Remaining, they got 155 out of 200, and another school they got 145.
Okay. So there you gave an extempore speech, you mean to say.
Yes.
Very good. Extempore speech means without any preparation, on the spot.
Yes,
Perfect. So that was liked by all the people.
Yes, I'm very thankful and grateful to you, sir.
No, it's my responsibility, madam. That's really
of course, sir. But at the time, we felt very happy, sir.
Can you elaborate it further? In fact, so what particular aspects that worked out well?
In buzzer round, there we talked, sir. And from starting of the program, how they managed, and they gave one song also. We make the without stage fright. First, our students are fearing, so we make them without stage fright. We gave some instructions to them how they have to be, and how they have to participate in it. So same as it is, they participated. But in buzzer round, they felt, sir. Why? Because of course it is a competition.
Yeah.
But they are small kids, no, sir. It is their nature.
Absolutely.
For them only they are asking like that.
For that, your instructions worked out.
We gave instructions for buzzer round and for so many rounds are there, sir. First we gave a word and we asked them to, in a phonetic language we gave, sir. And we asked them to identify English language and to spell the word and pronounce the word also.
Perfect. Very good. So we are very happy with your success. So it is owned by Amar Raja Batteries, right? You said this particular present school.
Yes, sir. Amar Raja Educational Institutions.
Wow, that's really great. So
Under Rajanna Trust, sir.
What
the
is
father-in-law of Rajanna Trust. Rajanna Trust in sense, the father-in-law of Ramachandra Naidu Garu, our beloved chairman.
Okay, great.
Here the name also, it is their parents' name, sir. Mangal, they are the parents of our beloved chairman, sir, parents. And Amar Raja is the name Amaravathamma and Rajagopal Naidu.
Okay, very good.
Chairman's mother-in-law and father-in-law, sir. They both are. And our school name is Mangal. In that, chairman's sir mother name is Mangamma. And his father name is Gangulaya.
Okay, very good.
They mixed it and they kept as a Mangal.
Okay, so you are working for Karakambadi branch?
No, sir. I'm working in Petamitta branch.
Petamitta branch. How far it is from Tirupati?
We are not staying in Tirupati, sir. In Petamitta itself, I'm staying, sir.
No, how far it is from Tirupati? Petamitta distance?
50 kilometers, sir, nearly.
Okay, nearby only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So you are the principal of that school?
No, sir. As a head of the Department of English, sir.
Wow, very good. That's great. So fantastic, madam, and we wish you all the best. You should get more milestones and more success in your life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And for your new venture in Bangalore, we are eagerly looking forward to witness your success.
Always, all of in a group, all members are welcome, sir.
Sure.
Always welcome, sir.
Definitely. Thank you very much. Thank you.
When Hema ma'am was
I observed that you were trying to say something.
Just say something. She was changing the name now, it seems, no? For changing the name, again the complete process will be there. How to recognize the school.
To get the recognition.
Recognition. The process will be from starting onwards. It is not easily to change the name. If it is running school means. Okay, if the recognition is completed means, we can make the changes. With that same recognition.
It's a long process.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a long process.
It will be a long process. If you're changing, if the duration is completed of that school means, okay, you can change the name. But if you're running the school with that same name means, different name means, it is not possible.
It is as good as starting from the scratch, from the beginning.
Yes, that's what.